It's time for a mindful movement moment with Miss Lori and Lenny the Porcupine at Love and Learning Lodge, where we show you 2 mindful moves that you can add into your day. Lenny will watch while I will start. Both of them are water related. The first one is a river pose. You just sit on the ground, legs out straight. You lean over as far as you can. Try to reach your feet if you can, your knees, your shins, whatever your body wants to do. And you lean over, your head goes down, and try to elongate your spine, your legs, and it's a great stretch for your entire length of your body. And just pretend you are a river of flowing water. Maybe there's some fish jumping around. Our second one is a dolphin pose. You start out on the ground. You're on your knees and your elbows. And then you lift up in the air. You want to come in as close as you can with your chest down. And that's also a great stretch along your entire body. All right, Lenny can't wait to show you how to do these as well. All right, Lenny. First, let's go ahead and be a river. Oh, you have a friend, Beaver? Lenny goes on boat rides with friend Beaver. Oh, I bet they have a great time. All right, we will be a river that you and Beaver can float down. All right, great job. Great river pose. And now a dolphin pose. Lenny is great at pretending to be other animals. Now it's your turn to give it a try. And you can stretch your body, just like Autumn, the cat, is stretching right now. Stretch your body. Now you know just what to do. Rest your body. Now the rest is up to you. Bye-bye.